Hi, this is Luke from Ramex Productions. Today in Spotfire Tips and Tricks, I'm going to show you how to add a column that identifies the duplicated rows and then be able to extract that first row of data. So what we have here is our data table containing our data. We have order date, what state the order was placed in, how much the total order was for, as well as the year, or total sales per year per state, and then our rank of sales. So what we have displaying here is 2021, and it will be our top 10. But as you can tell in this data table, that Florida is just repeated for every order that's placed. And for this example, we want only one row on this data table per each state. So to be able to do that, we're going to go data, column properties. We're going to insert and say calculated column. We're going to come up here to function, to rank. This time we're just going to insert function since we already did that. You can also type it. And the reason I pulled up rank in the function is to look at the different arguments. And I always like to highlight and copy tides method equals first. So we're going to copy this. So rank, we're going to do our total sales per year per state. We're going to do paste the ties method equals first, which I'll explain in just a minute. Our state. And then we want a order date per year, which is actually year of the order date. So what this is saying is we're going to rank the total sales per year per state. We're going to do ties method equals first, meaning that instead of the repeated rank repeating over and over again, it's basically going to give you a count of how many rows you have for your state per order year date. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we're going to call this rank per state. And it's basically giving you a custom row number. So we're going to hit OK. So as you can tell, that's exactly what it did. It started counting per Florida. If just for demonstration purposes, we're going to say edit. And we're going to take ties method equals first out. We're going to hit OK. And then see what we just said, that it just basically counts it each time. And so we're going to go ahead and put that back in. We're going to hit OK. So now what we're going to do is insert another column. And we're going to do an if statement. And we're going to say if the rank per state equals 1, and that is, so comma, that's going to be called our first row. We're going to do comma. So if that equals any other number besides 1, we're going to call this our duplicated row. And we're just going to say duplicated row. ID for identifier. We're going to hit OK. So what this does is, just like the if statement says, for every time ranks per state equals 1, it's going to say first row. Every other time it says duplicated row. So then here we have Ohio, it's the first one, as well as right here. So this is really nice because when you go right click properties, go to data, limit data using expression. So we already displaying only our top 10, but now we want to say and duplicated row ID equals first row. We're going to hit OK. And then let's go ahead and do right-click properties, data, and go limit data using expression, and let's go year, order date. Let's look at 2021. And now get that right. So now we're only looking at the top 10 total sales per state, as well as just the first row. Thank you for watching today. If you liked the video, go ahead and ram that thumbs up button. Then be sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. Also, comment any issues you're having with Spotfire so that I can come up with a video to help you out. Until next time.